bitches. I don't mean no harm, but won't you when your friends is? Meet us in the cut.